We bop and hippity hop, I'm as happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, works one. We bop and hippity hop, I'll never be a millionaire. Whoa, boom, boom, and hippity zoom. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. I don't care.
Good afternoon, guys. Where's what? I guess just put it on top of this crock pot thing.
Yeah.
We've been doing dishes for like 3 days straight. Now, you guys know. You know that we've had so many dishes just like overflowing onto our counter. I've showed you guys. And we're still trying to get them done. The sink was just so full. There were so many bottles in the sink. And they were all, the worst part was that they were full of grease. Mariano drained the beef all over the bottles and all the dishes. So everything was just covered in grease.
Well, at least I'm the one who had to scrub it.
We got one of these kid cuisines for Julia to try. It's like carnival mini corn dogs. Of course, she's not going to eat the fudge brownie, but
That's for me.
that's for me.
No, it's not.
You can have the corn. Julia's not a fan of corn either. But, so we got this for her
I'll
because
have the corn dogs.
she's over here having lunch right now. Julia's having carrots like she does every day. It's her favorite veggie in the entire world. She's kind of starting to like lima beans and kind of starting to like green beans, but she's not a fan of any other veggie other than carrots. And potatoes. Does potato count as veggie?
Not really.
No, oh, potatoes and sweet potatoes she likes too.
Ooh, this one's
So-
finally getting washed.
We're gonna make this and see if she likes it. 12 grams of protein. It's healthy.
That doesn't mean it's healthy, baby.
Yes, it does mean it's healthy.
No, everything to you. Oh, protein. Oh, it's healthy. Eat the whole thing.
Let's have another one. Daddy's finishing up dishes over here.
There's still more.
Yeah, there's more still overflowed on the counter. And then you're gonna have more because Julia's eating.
This is never ending.
Say hello! Hello!
No, you don't want to be bothered.
It is raining out. It is a super duper 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 crappy day. I keep getting off topic. Let me make this kid cuisine. This is so stupid. It says to remove everything except remove the corn dogs and the brownie and put them in for, right? I removed the french fries too. It says remove corn dogs and brownie. Microwave meal on high for 30 seconds and then replace the corn dogs. Whoops. I removed the french fries too. I gotta put them back. How the dishes coming?
Oh, just great. Just great. I love dishes. It should be my career.
What's this thing over here?
That is recycle bin storage. Actually,
It doesn't work.
according to Renee, that is recycle bin storage.
It is! It doesn't work! Not too sure what I'm supposed to do with this brownie. I think I'm just supposed to let it defrost. I'm not sure. Because everything else is in the microwave cooking, like the picture says. But and then at the end it shows the brownie still in the package over here. I don't know. It doesn't say to microwave the brownie. Are we guys supposed to eat like a frozen brownie? Here we have the kid cuisine. Smells like corn dogs.
Peter's house.
I don't know. Let's see if she likes it.
You
want it?
Really
Hot.
today.
Hot. I just wound up opening the brownie and stuffing it in here.
Kinda sad we have
It's not doing anything. It's still a frozen brownie. No lie, it's still a frozen brownie.
Sure it is.
And the french fries are all stuck together. I don't know. Let's see if she likes it.
Maybe I should test out the corn dog before we give it to our dog.
No, I think Julia will, I think
No,
she has it.
Just in case.
No, I think she got it. Well, she likes the french fries, likes the hot dogs. She doesn't like the breading for the corn dog. Oh wait, here we go. Up.
Into my backpack.
That's a lot. Are you sure you can do
I
that?
learned all these instruments. My sax-
Daddy likes the breading for the corn dogs.
Nah, too big. And I can't forget my picture for grandpa.
That's a lot.
You want help?
Mom, I'm all packed.
You let go?
Tiger.
You say, I got it, Daddy.
Oh, you got the bread. The bread is the best part.
Maybe she does like the bread.
The bread's the best part.
She likes
Because
it.
it's nice and sweet.
Should we try giving her corn?
She's had corn before.
Yeah, but she's never liked that popping feeling in her mouth.
Prince Tuesday will take care of you while I'm gone.
You want some corn? They're kind of like,
Nice work, Daniel.
yeah, they do pop, but
We have everything, Tiger
yeah,
family.
we'll try it.
He wants to go too.
Let's try this brownie. Just kidding, not yet.
Trolley's here.
What are you eating, Daddy?
Pizza rolls.
Yep, corn. No more corn.
It's alright. You're okay.
Prince Wednesday, I'm going to
What
visit
did she
my
guys on?
grandparents.
Oh!
Katerina and her mom.
Is it hot?
Oh my god, the outside was cold and I've been into it and it just like...
Oh my god.
That really hurt.
That's why you open it and blow on it. Ooh, they are hot.
As happy as I can be. Whoa, boom, boom, and zippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand work.
All finished up with lunch.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Daddy, what are you having?
Special, Miss Lena.
Brother?
I am special, Ted.
Daddy's having some
Vegetables.
healthy vegetables.
Yeah.
He's having gelato indulgences. Cookie dough. Yummy. Look how good it looks.
Special. She
And
has
honestly,
a star on her dress.
I think it tastes like Rita's custard. Then some whipped cream. Boo Boo's is having some whipped cream. She absolutely loves her whipped cream. She's like, Mommy, I
He's got a
ran
little
out.
goatee.
She's like, Mommy, I ran out. A little more. Only, no, give me a fork. This way. Here. That's it, no more now. Yummy?
Or your great ideas. Yes, like your idea to make a leaf picture and your idea to twinkle like a star. I like all of your ideas.
It's so good.
Boo Boo thinks her whipped cream good too, look at her.
Is that
She's like, it's empty. I ran out. No more Boo Boos. Who are you growling at? Who are you growling at?
Kylie?
She doesn't even know who she's barking at.
Yeah, I know. Hey, baby.
I don't think I want any anymore after that whipped cream.
Can I see a little cream?
Aw, look, Boo Boos wants some. Daddy, no more. Come on. It looks like the whipped cream is pooping. No more now. Stop. I don't want to give Boo Boos anymore.
We're so fat. I'm so fat. I want any more.
Marianne!
You're wet.
You No more.
I'm done. Say, Mama, I'm out of whipped cream, but I'll eat a hot dog anyway.
It makes hot dogs with my whipped cream.
Ew. You want this, babe?
No, I don't want it. You ate half the tub.
I ate half the tub.
Yes.
It's full. Not yet, not yet.
Boo boo, did you throw the ball? Woo! What do you have, boo boys?
Yes, you are. Whoa. No more kisses.
You have the broken controller?
This is all this dog wants. It's just love. She's so lovable, right? My big bear.
Boo boos has to join in.
Little boys, you want kisses from puppy too?
Yeah. Boo boys, throw me the ball. Throw me the ball. Good girl. Here you go. Ready? Her favorite toys, believe it or not, are dollar store toys.
Yeah, for whatever reason. No, you don't need to go over there, boo-boos. You got the dog's tail? You got puppy's tail? No, please.
Kylie is so good with the baby.
You see puppy?
Oh, is she giving her the ball?
Puppy? Yeah? She headbutted me. Split my lip.
You split your lip?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure you didn't bite your lip?
No. It was smacked against my teeth.
Yeah. You okay? At least you don't need stitches. Is that where it busted open, where you hit your lip before?
You see how red it is? You see it here?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So many bubbles. Look, she's catching them in her mouth.
Oh.
Whoa, boom, boom, and zippity zoom. Love is sweet, love is grand, it works. One. Beep bop and zippity hop.
She never really gets a chance to see the bubbles outside because they blow away too quick.
Exactly.
Getting an arm workout in?
Yeah, I am. This is my time's up. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Face plant.
you okay?
You face planted. Hmm?
She's so happy. We're trying out this. What is this? What kind of coffee is this?
Creme brulee.
I don't know how much of that I got. I just looked at it and it wasn't recording. If I didn't get it, we're trying this creme brulee coffee from Great Value. Great Value stuff is fantastic. And Julia keeps going under the table. We're trying to get her to stop. But she thinks it's so funny when we're trying to be strict. What are you doing? You twerking? You twerking?
No, I don't twerk.
She thinks it's especially funny when Mariana tries to be strict because I have no idea why. She just dies laughing the minute Mariana makes like a strict face.
Julia,
She's picking the panel.
get out. Get out. Come on. Out. Get out. Get out. Right now. Get out. Come on. Give me a hand. Thank you. Come on. Ooh, her wrist just came out of her socket. I'm like, crap. Oh my god, it scared the crap
Her
out of
arms
me.
and legs always do that.
Look at Kylie, baby. Sit. Sit. Speak. Good girl. Good job. Good job. Alright, easy. Kylie, easy. Easy, girl. Thank you. What? High five? Oh!
You just saved her. She's too tall.
Oh my god, she would have went
Right into the table.
Go lay down, Kylie. Good girl. Yeah, go lay down.
She used to not go under it as much when we had the chair here.
Yeah, since we broke it.
Oh my god.
Sit. Speak. Sit.